back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse.
2024 Toyota Prius Prime. Starting at $33,770. Highs. Sexy, yes, sexy styling, loaded with standard features, no longer asleep when you want to accelerate. Lows. Slick design encroaches on rear headroom, lacks interior storage, overcomplicated gauge cluster design. Verdict. The Prius Prime combines a sleek, futuristic design with a hybrid setup that finally returns not only improved fuel economy and solid electric range but also good performance. Overview. Jaws dropped when Toyota pulled the covers off of the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid and its standard Prius sibling at the start of the 2023 model year. The all-new Prius radically streamlined design transformed it from one of the most awkward-looking cars on the market to a certified head-turner. Not only did the Prius get a complete makeover, but the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid, PHEV, also features a massively upgraded powertrain. Its gas 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors now combine for 220 horsepower, up by 99 horses over the previous Prime. Despite being noticeably quicker than its predecessor, the 2024 Prius Prime also extracts 19 more miles of electric-only driving range from its battery. With the latest Prime, Toyota allowed the Prius to focus on more than just efficiency, turning the plug-in hybrid into a stylish statement with respectable performance. What's new for 2024? After a major redesign for 2023, the Prius Prime enters 2024 completely unchanged. Pricing and which one to buy. SE. $33,770. XSE. $37,020. XSE Premium. $40,465. The Prius Prime now comes in SE, XSE, and XSE Premium grades, all of which reflect the model's newfound athleticism. We'd pick the XSE, as it comes with items such as keyless entry, and power tailgate, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and heated front seats. Of course, those XSE goodies are in addition to the 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic high-beam headlights that all come standard. Engine, transmission, and performance. All Prius Prime models come with a 160 HP 2.0-liter gas engine that pairs with 2 electric motors, one that powers the drive wheels and another that controls a planetary gearset to mete out the gas engine's grunt in a manner that resembles a belt-driven continuously variable automatic transmission. The result is 220 horsepower, more horsepower than a base Mazda 3, a Honda Civic Si, or the Subaru Impreza. What a time to be alive! At our test track, the Prius Prime hit 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds when using both its gasoline and electric motors together. When powered by only the electric motors, it needed 11.2 seconds. The Prius Prime is a front-drive only affair, however, Toyota may offer all-wheel drive as an extra cost item. If this is the case, then expect a so-equipped Prius Prime to include an additional electric motor that exclusively powers the car's rear axle. Range, charging, and battery life. A lithium-ion battery pack gives the Prius Prime an electric driving of as much as 44 miles. During our testing of an XSE model, we managed 33 miles of highway driving on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route before the battery depleted and the gasoline engine had to step in. Adding a charge to the Prius Prime's battery is easy, though, thanks to roof-mounted solar panels that recharge the pack when the car's parked. Take the Prius Prime out for a drive and those solar panels send power to accessory items, such as the air conditioning system. Alas, these solar panels are not available on the lower-end SE and XSE trims. Fuel economy and real-world MPGe. When relying on both its electric motors and four-cylinder engine for motivation, the Prius Prime is rated by the EPA for 50 mpg city and 47 mpg highway. In our testing, we recorded 46 mpg highway. For more information about the Prius Prime's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Prius Prime's insides are as handsome as the car's outsides. Sharing design cues with the BZ4X electric SUV, the Prime's cabin features a chic wraparound dash fit with a sizable center-mounted infotainment screen. Gone is the center-mounted gauge cluster of Prius's past. Instead, the 2024 model features a cluster mounted directly in front of the driver. Additionally, the Prime sees its shifter move from the dash to the center console. We found the driver's seat to offer just enough headroom, but the back seat's low roof leaves less room for heads. Infotainment and connectivity. An 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard on Prius Prime SE and XSE models, though a large 12.3-inch unit is optionally available on the latter. The big screen system comes standard on the top-of-the-line XSE Premium, as does a premium JBL audio system. Regardless of trim, every Prius Prime includes 6 USB-C ports and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Safety and driver assistance features. Toyota fits the Prius Prime with several standard driver assistance technologies. However, items such as a surround view camera and front and rear parking assist systems are optional. For more information about the Prius Prime's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Toyota's warranty coverage matches up with the plans offered by much of its competition, even outdoing some competitors by including 2 scheduled maintenance visits within the first 2 years of ownership. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world